Guys, King Cadillac, and today we are at Fastfit Car Centre in Cranbourne. Without further ado, let's get into the classics. So, about 40 minutes past 10 when it first started, and it is packed already. I've officially lost count of how many cars have actually rocked up, but they're literally lining the streets. Yeah, we got me mate Scotty FJ. Countless hours have gone into this, the detailing on this, paintwork, the car itself, the rims, the tyres, the interior. Here's Scotty himself. Oh, it's warm today. Very nice Dodge Dart. You would have seen a few this in a few videos. Another mate's just come up in his Challenger. Bloody hell, I'm going to be getting swamped. At the moment. Cars coming through. There we go. How's it going, guys? '69 Charger. Beautiful convertible. So we continue to go up to all the way up the end of the road where, as I said, the cars have, the turnout here is unbelievable. The Tirana, old Chevy Ute. Shane showing off. Gorgeous T-Bird. Chevy wagon. T-Bird. Beautiful Chev. XB Coupe. Mustangs side by side. Another gorgeous Ford Coupe. I do apologise for the wind. It'll make it a bit noisy on the video. This video will be going for a little bit because there is a fair amount of walking involved. We'll take you down here and have a look what's come down here. And we'll come back up. So what have we got here? We got a... We'll come back to the other cars in a minute. What have we got here? Gorgeous old Holden. A few bits and pieces they've added to it to give it their own personal touch. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Oh, sorry, there's a tree there. And here, the next classic we have is a Holden Brougham sedan. Very nice. Bloody hell, we've still got more coming in. This is mental. Gorgeous SS Chevelle with a 454. So this one is a bit modern, but a bit more harder to come by. The more modern SS HGT. Old SS. Nice Camaro. Another old Holden, and cars that we are coming up behind. Just cruising on in. Now we've got a gorgeous old GT Falcon here.
I'm going to do something, so... we're doing a car show, so...
RT Challenger. An old Morris truck. Very nice. Old Chev. Another old Falcon GT. Old school Fairlane. Ford Escort. VL. And I did say, guys, these cars have been coming up and down non-stop. Here's another one. Here we got a Lincoln Continental. We've got a Wildcat. Gorgeous old Duke. More T-Birds. Another T-Bird. We'll quickly cut across here. Gorgeous Cadillac. And the last one, just for Shane Harvey. SS Baby, his SS wagon. Ride and joy. Well, thanks guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. We will see you next time.